Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to make some juicy flavor-rich meatball served up with some garlic spaghetti. Come over to my kitchen guys, let's go cooking. Thank you guys for joining me again. If you're here for the first time and you like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to receive more of my uploads. So today we are going to make a delicious meatball and spaghetti dish. We want some flavor-rich meatball, and for that to happen, we need some good seasoning. We want to season our ground meat well. So here I have 1 pound of ground meat that I am seasoning with some adobo season, some Cajun season, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and I'm going to use some herbs. I have some dried thyme, rosemary, and basil. There I'm adding 2 eggs, and here I have my veggie. I have some onion, some chives, orange and yellow pepper, garlic, parsley, and red bell pepper. All is finely chopped. So once we add our season, we are going in with our hands and we want to mix our ground meat well to make sure all the flavor is saturated nicely. As we said, we are going for some flavor-rich meatball. So we are going to add some breadcrumbs. That's about ½ cup of breadcrumbs. The measurement and ingredients will be listed in the description box. So here we have a beautiful looking loaf of ground meat that we are going to make in some meatball just like this. Isn't this some beautiful looking meatballs, guys? Wow. So we are about to fry the meatball, but before that happens, we want to go ahead and start the cooking process of our spaghetti. This is about half package of a 16-ounce spaghetti pack. Here I added to boiling water that I have added some seasoned bouillon to give it a salty flavor, and here I'm adding just a small amount of butter to keep the spaghetti apart. So here I have my frying pan with a generous amount of oil on high heat, nicely hot. We want to fry this meatball, giving them some golden color. So we are going to allow them to fry about 3 minutes on each side. So around 3 minutes later, here our meatball is ready to turn. And as you can see, we are having some golden looking, juicy, flavor-rich meatball. So about 10 minutes later, our spaghetti is done. So I am going to strain the water off and I am going to flavor up this spaghetti. So here I have about 3 tablespoons of butter that I am going to saute about 4 minced garlic to give it that nice garlic flavor. We are going to allow this to saute for about a minute Then we're going to add some chives. We are going to give this a stir and allow it to saute for the next 2 minutes before we go ahead and add our spaghetti. So once our garlic and chives saute nicely to release that lovely flavor, we are going to add our spaghetti, give it a nice stir to allow that flavor to saturate throughout our spaghetti. If you notice you need more butter, you can go ahead and add some more butter. So I am adding a little season. I am adding some onion powder. That's some dry onion bits I'm adding there. And I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper also. Here I'm adding some dry parsley just to give it that nice greenish color. And to give it a little cheesy flavor, here I go ahead and add a little Parmesan cheese. And we're going to stir it nicely. And here we have a beautiful looking, tasty garlic butter spaghetti that we are going to serve up with our juicy meatball. So as you can see, you don't always have to have meatball in your tomato sauce and spaghetti. You can change it up and just go ahead and have some nice garlic butter spaghetti with some juicy flavor-rich meatball. Serve up with some veggie broccoli. So there you go, guys. This is the final result of my lovely dish. Go ahead and try this recipe out. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. And drop a comment below and let me know if you prefer your meatball in your tomato sauce. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.